Hey guys, welcome back to Fabulous. This is me, Fizash. We're here doing another video, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you always hit that subscribe button and join the Fab Squad. And also, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell on to get notified every single time I post a new video for you guys. So, guys, today is a special day because, as you guys saw in my previous vlog, Falak really wanted a cat, a kitten. So today, I'm gonna go and surprise her. I'm kind of excited. So let's go. Here we are. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at she. Guys, we got a cat for Falak. Oh my god, we got a cat. Finally, it's so happy. My little baby. She's confused. Literally confused. Okay, so guys, we are gonna go get her injection and all, do her all the stuff and get her card, everything. So let's do that. Okay guys, so we are here to get him an injection. It's a him. It's a he. That's why. Ta-da! We just got the vaccination done and everything, so we came here to get him his stuffs and food. So we gonna take this.
A baby powder.
It's so heavy. Okay, so you're gonna go meet your mommy. Mommy. So guys, here's the time when she meets. Look at the cat. We have the cat here. Where are we going?
Pet dog hospital.
We're taking him to a vet.
Yes.
I look like this because I'm sick. No, I'm not like sick. I just have migraine.
Give me it. Let me show you the cat.
Fever?
Yeah,
Like this or what? With what?
like this.
So guys, we are done with the injection and he has high fever. It's 40 degrees. She was literally crying. I don't know why. Anyways, I just want to say, if you guys like the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and join the Pepper Squad. And also, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell on to get notified every single time I post a new video. Guys, we were gonna end this vlog yesterday itself because we came from the vet. But today he is sick. Like, he's not sick. What's wrong with him?
Oh, wait, are you touching his leg?
No. Kawa. As we were saying, it started vomiting from yesterday night itself. Today, like early morning, 8 o'clock, he literally came to my room and he was literally standing, and all of a sudden he just started doing this thing, and I'm like, what's wrong? And then I got to know he vomited in my room, and I was like, okay, there's something wrong. Because yesterday what the doctor said was give him boiled chicken, so we gave him boiled chicken, but I think it didn't digest well because he is just 2 months. So he's small baby, so I think he didn't digest that, so he is having like vomiting. And yesterday we got him injection, so he has like a muscle pain on his thigh, and he's feeling very low, so we're gonna take him to the vet today itself, like an emergency. Look at him. Oh my god. Oh, are you okay? Oh yeah, you're okay? Oh, it's okay. Baby, you okay? Not okay?
Let's take him to the clinic.
Okay, we're gonna take him to the vet. Look at us taking her. Yes.
No food.
No food.
Measure temperature now.
Okay.
I make injection for vomiting again.
Again?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Ban leukopenia. برضه زي
Okay. So my baby's done with 2 injections. He got 2 injections today, and he asked us to come tomorrow also. So let's see. If he's good today, then we don't have to go tomorrow. Oh my god, look at him getting cleaned up. He's the sweetest little baby. So guys, we just came from the checkup. I just want to say it's gonna be like 3 more days. He needs to go get glucose and so many stuff. So I'm just gonna end the vlog over here because it's a lot. And I wanted to show you guys how it is to get a cat. Okay, I showed you guys how I got the cat and what happened, how it does, how it plays and everything. So it's just crazy how everything changes so fast. And yeah, so we just want to say, if you guys are gonna go and get a cat, we just want to give you guys some pros and cons. If you guys want to know from me or no. My sister is more like good at it because She like search everything all the time. What do you suggest people to do when they buy a cat?
Don't buy a cat, adopt one.
Okay. And yeah, guys, take good care before buying before getting any pet. Make sure you know every single thing about them.
Make sure you do your research.
Yes, make sure you do your research, because if you don't, it's gonna be a big problem. You're supposed to know what you're getting and treat him well or her. Yeah, guys. Okay, if you guys are getting a cat, make sure you clean the place, because
Cats are very clean animals. They like their surroundings to be clean. Yeah, so you should, make their surroundings clean.
yeah, they need more care, which is actually provided by their mothers only, which we cannot give. And I don't know how these animals with these cats live outside on the street and be good, and they are not fine. When we are taking so good care at home, they get sick. Like, seriously.
And the cats who eat trash are perfectly
Yeah,
fine.
literally, these, like, the other cats who are, like, outside, they eat trash and they are, like, good. They're enjoying their life outside. They're enjoying, like, literally. And here in my home, we are taking good care. We're giving everything what he wants. We're keeping everything clean. Still, he's getting sick, he's getting infected, or I don't know what's the thing.
Well, I just think they're born in that place, so that's why they're like.
Yeah, they're like adapted to the surroundings, so that when they change the thing. So anyways, I just want to say, if you guys like the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, enjoy the Fafa Squad, and also guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I post a new video for you guys. Do comment down below what you guys want to see next, and please don't tell me you guys want to see more pet videos, because I can't do that.
And we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, and we'll keep you updated in my other videos or anything else about the cat. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.